Hello guys, today we're going to do a nice pattern in Rumba, probably beginning intermediate level. We're going to combine three elements: the fall away, or fifth position some of you might call it, the New York, not a crossover, we're going to do New York, and then a spot turn. Here we go. So yeah, a little faster than probably some of you thought, but the original Cuban rumba is fast. The American rumba is a little bit slower, played in the rhythm of danzón. You may start with a box step or the normal rumba chassé. We'll do the box just because. So here we have 1 and 2 and 3 and hold. 2 and 2 and 3 and hold. I'm going to lead the lady into the chassé. 1 and 2 and 3 and hold. Of course, at this moment, do not swing the body out to take the back step. Simply button, button, button. Squeeze together. Let the man prepare you. Now, you do understand that the Latin back step, of course, is different from every other step in dance. In that, we are going to quite literally pick up the foot and place it behind the other one. Wait until that step is placed in order to do your toe, ankle, knee, hip Latin action and get the turnout. Now you have a push forward and return to your partner. At this moment, you have a hip roll that prepares you for the third position. Now that you're in this third position, we're going to dance a New York. New York being straightforward walk, hip roll, and replace. Here we are on the replace. We again don't turn away from your partner, don't turn out. Simply do button, 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 squeeze together into your third position, or Marilyn Monroe, and allow the man at this point to simply redirect the New York on the other side. At this moment, we could do another New York, but as we do the New York, the man with his forward hand simply rolls off of the dance position, leading the spot turn. And there you have it. Simple, simple, simple movement. One more time from the guy's position. Here we have chassé. I don't turn away from my partner. I squeeze first, place second, rotate, press, replace, hip roll, redirect, New York, replace, roll, redirect, roll the lady into the spot, and finish. Nice pattern, easy pattern to dance. Requires a little bit of technique, however. If you're uncertain of the technique, please go back and watch the 4 points of Latin movement, toe, ankle, knee, hip. That'll help you with your Cuban motion, and you'll be able to feel how the body movement drives the step and not the step drives the movement.
You teach me to dance.